Hey guys, welcome to my channel and here we get the new optional quality update in Windows 10 laptop and desktop. Okay, if we go in settings and here if we go in update and security, so you can see optional quality update available 2025-04 cumulative update preview for Windows 10 version 22H2 for x64 based systems KB5055612. And guys, if you want to learn more about this update, simply click on learn more and you can see Windows 10 version 22H2 update history. Click on it and you can see April 22, 2025 KB5055612. Click on it and you can see this is the release date and this is the version. And guys, read it carefully. Support for Windows 10 will end in October 2025. Here you can see. So you can learn more about this over there. Okay, and if we see in summary, this non-security update includes quality improvements. Below is a summary of the key issues that this update addresses when you install this update. If there are new features, it lists them as well. The bold text within the brackets indicates the item or area of the change we are documenting. So here if we see in highlights, you can see internal Windows OS. This update contains miscellaneous security improvements to internal Windows OS functionality. And if we see in improvements, you can see many improvements are available. Graphics, OS security, system guard, runtime monitor, broker service. This is the known issue. As you can see, it is fixed. The Windows event viewer might display an error related to sgrm broker.x on devices that have installed Windows Update release January 14, 2025 or later. This error can be found under Windows Logs system as event 7023 with a text similar to the system guard runtime monitor broker service terminated with the following error. This here you can see this is the following error. Okay, and here's the servicing stack update. And guys, this is the known issue in this update. You can see this is the known issues in this update. This is how to get this update, as you can see, and this is the file information. Okay, now simply close it and you can see download and install. And guys, when you are ready to download and install this update, I would suggest you download and install this. Okay, now I'm going to download and install this update. So simply click on download and install. So here you can see downloading start. Guys, it might take some time. So after a bunch of minutes, you can see downloading 100%. Here you can see downloading 100%. Okay, now wait when installing will start. So you can see installing is started. And guys, I hope I can hope that okay, you can see installing again started for 1%. So you can see installing speed is going good. Here you can see 33, 67%. Okay, it is going good, but I can only hope that I will not face that major bug again. So you can see installing 100% complete. Okay, now wait, what will happen next? So this is what I was talking about. Installing again started. As you can see, installing 14% and it is going up as you can see. But I don't know why Microsoft is not fixing this major bug available in Windows update process. No one can understand this problem. Guys, it might take some time. So you can see after a long time installing 100%, and here we get the restart now and schedule the restart. Okay guys, after the restart, this update will successfully install and which might take 3 to 5 minutes. Okay guys, if you have any particular question about this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.